My name is Jacob Cook and I'm on the production apprenticeship with the design team. I'm from a place called Prentisiad, which is near ystod, and I do have a strong interest in design, which probably led me to this apprenticeship. I was lucky enough to be taking part in a traineeship with Wolf Studios Wales, where I worked as a trainee graphic designer on Industry Season 4. What I've learned so far, I suppose, would be how things work within my team at the BBC. And I think looking forward, I'd like to delve into that a lot more and become more knowledgeable on that, so that in the future I could have the experience to do the same job as what my boss currently does now. I think what I'd like to get out of my apprenticeship is as much as possible, even if it isn't related to my actual role. And I suppose I don't really know what I want to get out of it. It's just the possibilities that could come along is what I want to experience. Like, maybe I want to get to know the unknown a bit. So.